What's up guys, it's Mastercard and welcome back to my channel. So Tecno has released the Spark 5 and in this video I'm going to be sharing my thoughts. That's why I brought back the famous thinking cap. So I want you guys to take a pen and jot things down so that you're able to take some things out. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. This will help us grow and encourage me to produce more videos like this. If you've already subscribed to my channel, just sit tight and enjoy the video. That being said, let's get to it. The Spark range can be referred to as Tecno mid-level lineup, and Tecno has successfully released
not one, not two, but 1,000.
Okay guys, seriously, they have released 5 generations of the Spark, which is a sign that this range is fairly popular. The Tecno Spark 5 is very identical, if not a replica of just released Common 15, with a larger frame of 164.7mm as opposed to the 164.1mm on the Tecno Common 15. It brings that 6.6 inches 90.2 screen to body ratio that we see on flagship device in 2020, even though it's a mid-level device. There is no major improvement from its predecessor that was released last year. The display is an IPS LCD display with a screen resolution of 720 by 1600 with a hole punch, which Tecno is calling the in-dot display. It has a selfie camera, a quad camera setup, and a popular fingerprint sensor. The Spark 5 is powered by a MediaTek Helio A22 processor similar to its predecessor, the Spark 4. I know at this point you're disappointed, but if you stay to the end of the video, I'll tell you where the major improvements have been made. The CPU is an octa-core processor clocked at 2.0 GHz and is definitely faster than the 1.8 GHz quad-core processor that was on the Spark 4 from last year. Coupled with the PowerVR GE8320 GPU that runs Android 10 and Tecno's custom UI iOS 6. The Spark 5 comes with 2GB of RAM and 32GB internal storage, which is expandable via the SD card slot. Now to the camera. There has been a noticeable change from last year's triple camera linear setup to a more boxy rectangular quad-core setup on the Spark 5. The quad camera setup consists of a 13MP main shooter, 2MP macro camera, 2MP camera for depth sensing, and a 2MP QVGA camera for low light images, and has the ability to shoot 1080 at 30 frames per second, but with no optical image stabilization. I say this with a lot of sadness. Yeah. It also has a quad flash setup, which means it will be a very good touchlight. Don't you think so? The selfie camera is an 8MP camera with dual flash. The battery has seen a reasonable improvement from the Spark 4 of last year, which came with a 4000 mAh battery, and the Spark 5 comes with a 5000 mAh battery. Does it mean that the Spark 6 will come with a 6000 mAh battery? Well, definitely not. But Tecno is boasting that this will give you 16 hours of playback time. Now to the price. It's currently priced at 47,000 Naira in Nigeria, which relates to $130 or $120 depending on the exchange rate. The price may vary based on your location and Tecno's marketing campaign. If you're still here, then I'm about to give my verdict. I'll just say this. If you're not able to get the Tecno Common 15 because of your budget or the pandemic has affected your source of income, then the Spark 5 is where you should go. Aesthetically looking, they look very similar and it will be hard to tell from afar. That's all for the video guys. If you love this video and would like to see more content like this, hit that subscribe button and also click the bell button to get notifications when I post videos. Don't forget to like, share with your friends. Until next time, I am Mastercard. Peace.